Hello guys, this is just going to be a short video. Plus, because I haven't had this car on, I haven't even seen it since September. I was trying to work out when it went off the road. I'm sure it was the beginning of September. So, there's the old girl. Nicely, like I told you, in an internal garage. You've all seen my house. This is basically my kind of garage conversion. So it's not in a damp garage, nothing like that. So, we're going to connect the battery up and see if it starts up. So I'm going to pause it now. I'll show you just obviously down where it is. Obviously, that's the staircase. So we're going to get in, connect the battery up and see if it starts. Right, I couldn't film it. We've got the battery connected. It's a good sign. The immobiliser light's flashing, so we're just going to do the old lock, unlock. What I am going to try and do is make it deliberately not catch. So first up, we'll check it's not in gear. Otherwise, Danny's going to have a car in his living room. So I'll let that prime out of gear. What I'm going to do is I'm going to prime the fuel through a few times. Remember, this is injection, by the way. Third time. And I'm going to deliberately try to make it not fire to build some oil pressure. Oh, well, it started anyway. So there we go. There's the revs. No lights. Sweet as you like. Oh. Sounds lovely. Clearly I'm not going to rev it or anything. Just going to give it a few minutes to warm up. No smoke. Sounds sweet, isn't it, that? I didn't expect it to fire that well as either. That battery's been always top tip. Disconnect the battery every time. Yeah, nice full tank of fuel. No warning lights. Just give it a tiny little blip, but I'm not certainly going to be revving it hard. Lovely. So there we go. You shouldn't ever use E10 fuel in these anyway, but if you have done and you let them stand, you will cause issue. So always fill them with premium fuel, E5. So I want to leave that there, guys. I just wanted to show you how good old technology really is. No churning over, no smoke, nothing. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment. If there's anything you want to ask about it, it will be coming back onto the road in April time, depending on the weather. Hopefully get some car shows booked with this year, along with the C-Class. So if you have enjoyed, hit the like. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe.